In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from ClickUp to Excel. This is a handy skill for anyone looking to manage their data more effectively or to conduct further analysis using Excel's powerful features. So, let's dive into the process and break it down step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to successfully get your data transferred. First things first, you need to open the list or table view in ClickUp. This step is crucial because it determines the specific set of data that you're going to export. Take a moment to ensure that you're looking at the correct view that contains all the data you want to transfer into an Excel file. Once you've confirmed that you're in the right place, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Customize option, which looks like a gear icon. This is where you can tweak various settings, and for our purposes, it's where you'll start the export process. Go ahead and click on that icon. A menu will pop up, and from there, you'll want to select the Export option. This is your gateway to transferring your ClickUp data into Excel, and you'll find a few choices here that will help you customize your export to suit your needs. Let's discuss what you can export. You'll have a few options here. You could choose to export only the visible columns, which means just the data fields you're currently seeing in your view. If you're only interested in a quick overview, you might opt to export task names only, which will give you the basic task titles and nothing more. But if you're after a comprehensive data set, choose all columns. This option will give you the full range of data, including any custom fields you've set up in ClickUp, ensuring nothing valuable is left behind. Next, you'll select the format for your export file. You can choose between CSV or Excel, XLSX formats. If you decide on CSV, you'll also need to pick your preferred date and time formatting. This might seem like a small step, but it ensures your data is in a format that's intuitive and easy for you to work with later. At this point, you might notice an optional setting to include time and status data. If this information is pertinent to your analysis or report, you'll want to make sure to include it. After you've made your selections and are confident in your setup, click Download. The file will either automatically open in Excel or will be conveniently saved in your Downloads folder, ready for you to explore and manipulate further. And there you have it, a succinct and straightforward method to export your data from ClickUp to Excel. With this process, you can now easily manage and analyze your data with Excel's advanced toolset. Thanks for watching.